What's up, YouTube? It's your boy King Kurt 762. Today we're gonna do an unboxing of a firearm that I just recently purchased. Actually, today. Well, last week had to wait for shipping for it to come in. It came in today. I went and picked it up. It's my first gun of this brand. It is a clone of another brand, a very popular brand. Me personally, through watching the videos and reviews on the two, I like this clone of the original. But without saying anything else, let's get deeper into this unboxing. Okay guys, we have here the Girsan. It is a nice case. I do like it. Bright blue, easy to spot. Okay, we open it up, and you see we have owner's manual. Every firearm has that. Come up top, it has a cleaning brush. Then right here, has the lock. Every firearm should come with that. Come down here, we have the firearm itself. It is a beauty. It is a beauty. This is the Regard MC. It is chambered in 9mm. Sorry guys, my allergies is messing up. But this is a beautiful finish. It is smoke and rose gold. Before we go any further, for YouTube purposes, we are clear mag, 18 round mag, by the way. You can get that in there. 18 round, very nice. You know, looking at this mag, says Medgar, made in Italy. You guys can see that, but just looking at it, it looks very similar to a Canic, which I happen to have right here. Look at that, guys. Very similar. Very similar. I think the only difference actually is going to be, let's see, they both, yeah, it's the actual cut. Of course, the name right here is going to be different, the wording, but the actual cuts is the only difference. And this is the Canic. So, with that being said, if you just go cut 2 ports into there, yeah, just like that, cut 2 of them, it should fit right into your boy right here. And that's great because Canic offers a 32 round magazine. I do have it, but it's not right here by me. But they do have a 32 round magazine, which would be, man, I would love to see this thing go 32 rounds. So that is gonna be a project that I will be doing. But let's go further into showing that this thing is clear. Slide lock is clear. Allergies is kicking my butt right now. So excuse me for that, you guys. I don't know where it came from. It just came out the blue. Black, it says EEA, Cola, Florida, made in Turkey. I have no idea. I can't really see it. I see it says made in Turkey. This is very nice. It has a finger grooves. I'm a big fan of finger grooves. I love that. I also seen online that they have like a rubber grip, but with this finish, like, cause the grip covers all this, the whole front. One thing that don't cover is this back strap. So seeing this, I'm glad I didn't go ahead and pre-order this before it got here. Or I was gonna pre-order it, but I'm glad I didn't. And I did see some other ones that just had this part rubber. So most likely that's gonna be the one I'm gonna go with, cause I love how that is. It is a little, I don't know how they will be actually shooting at the range. Cause it is a little, there's no texture and it's smooth. But, you know, it's a nice grip. Feels kind of soft though. Has a lanyard attachment. Who will put this on a lanyard? I wouldn't. This is your mag release right here. It's not ambidextrous, it's one-sided. You have your slide catch right here. Very nice finish. Then you have your safety. On, off, on, off. And that is ambidextrous. Pretty nice. Then up here you have your threaded barrel. So you got, I'm guessing, pretty much you put a suppressor on here, put another muzzle. I think it's very oily. You put another muzzle on there, you know, trick it out, pretty nice. Then you have this fluted, that's what you call it, fluted twisted barrel. Very nice. This part is actually in rose gold. That is a beauty. Have your iron sights. They are removable. Front is removable. The back ones are removable. So I probably will be changing those to some kind of night sights. But for now, I like these. I might just keep these sights on there and just put some of them that glow in the dark drops. I don't know. We'll see. It has your Picatinny rails. 1, 2, 3, 4 slots. 4 different positions for your beam, flashlight, whatever you want to put right there. Me personally, I always go to the beam light combo. So yeah, I probably will be doing that on there. What else do we have here? Man, this thing is nice. Nice finish. Let's get this closed up. It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I have a hammer right here. Nice big. It's not skeleton out. Just that little hole right there. But since we're on this hammer, one thing I do love about this gun, it does have a decocker along with the safety. As you can see right here, we are loaded. Well, the fire pin is right there. It's there, it's up. When I go to, see that? When you go to pull your safety down, it moves out the way of the hammer. That way, when you decock it, it won't sit off around. Pretty nice. And there you have your safety. It's on safety. Take it off safety. On safety. Off safety. See the hammer? That's off safety. It clicked because of the decock. It decocked it to put it back on safety. It decocks it every time. This gun is very, very safe. It's off safety right now. You go ahead and fire it. Pull it back. Fire pins right there. Decock it. Can't do nothing. Take it off safety. Boom. Because when you put it back, when you decock it, if you look, still no firing pin. So when I go and take it off safety, oh, what do you see right there? That's a firing pin. That's a firing pin. So yeah, me personally, when I decock it, not like in a serious moment, serious situation, I wouldn't just slam it like that. I would, of course, and that's another thing, if it's on safety, it's not gonna lock back. It's gonna keep going up. Gotta take it off safety. Didn't do it. But if it's not a serious situation, I wouldn't just hit it and let it slam. I would, do it like that. No, ever so lightly, or with two-handed, something like that, and throw it back on safety. It's on safety. I love this gun. It's a very safe gun. That's one of my most favorite features about it. I feel like every hammer fire gun should have that feature. But yeah, guys, this is my most recent purchase. I think this might jump to the top list, my number one. I'm in love with this finish. The weight, it's not heavy at all. Not as heavy as I thought it would be. Looking at the pictures online, it's not as big as I thought it would be. Alright, and then again, guys, we are clear. Yeah, it's like the pictures on the internet does no justice. Once you get it in your hand and you actually feel it, the finish, and see it, and just, my only complaint is that blemish. I don't know if you guys can see. That's right there, right above the MC. But that's my only complaint. I don't know if I can get that in there. But other than that, it's flawless. For the money I paid, it should be perfect. But especially right there above the name where you're gonna be looking, it's gonna catch your eye. This right here, okay, yeah, that's where it's gonna do that from the safety. That's cool. It's not gonna do it on this side because of the way it's not touching. So that's fine. But right here, to me that's unacceptable. Oh, me, if I was quality control or over quality in that department, that wouldn't have passed. That, with the price tag that this thing has on it, that wouldn't have passed. I'm pretty sure a lot of you will agree with me. That wouldn't have passed with me. Look how beautiful this side is. But with all else been said, like, it's still a beautiful gun. I did see online they have a 20 round magazine. I will be getting that. Probably 2 of those. The Canic extended magazine thing, that's just something to have fun with, a little project. But like to actually have and carry, I'm gonna go with the the 20 round, which probably would stick out. Probably about like that. Maybe not even that. But it has a thicker bottom plate, and so it looks a lot better. This little sticker right here is limited lifetime warranty, which I'm pretty sure it doesn't cover that. But I already know if I send it back, my guys told me it's gonna take 6 weeks on firearms and stuff. So if I send this back, I know it's gonna take 6 weeks. So I don't wanna wait 6 weeks for that. It's fine. It's fine. Yeah, I love this gun. It has a lot of features. Like, for one, this little tab right here, it comes up every time you pull the trigger. See, that's jumping up. See, every time it jumps up. There, I couldn't get it to hold right there. That's a trigger pull. And then right here on the side, that's a round indicator that you know that is a round chamber. So even when you have it decocked, you still know you have a round in there. That's the only way you're gonna know without remembering that it's a round. If you wanted to check and you didn't want to do a little press check, which on this gun is kind of hard, without knocking out a hammer back. And you probably press check it right there, but yeah, like that. It still knocks the hammer back. So you don't even have to do none of that. That little side piece, it'll pop out a little bit, like it has a little red indicator, let you know. But guys, this is a very beautiful gun. Very beautiful. I wish my lighting was better, well, you guys could see this better. I will be working on that. And I will be doing another video when I take this out to the range. I will be going to the range really soon because I am excited to shoot this. I'm very excited to shoot this. I have another gun that I recently purchased before this. I just haven't did a video on it yet. I will be doing a video on that pretty soon, probably in the next couple of days. That video will be coming. I might make a couple of shorts on that gun first, I don't know, but a video will be coming on another gun, so be on the lookout for that. Again, this is a very, very, very nice gun. If you guys can find it, only found it like, I'm not gonna say one place, maybe 3 places. The cheapest place had it listed that I could find. I know you guys probably have maybe gun connections or something, but the cheapest place I seen was Gravel Gun. Yeah, that was the cheapest, was them. I actually purchased my last firearm from Gravel Gun. I actually like Gravel Gun. They have speedy shipping. Like, to get your guns less than a week, no problems. Like, I like Gravel Gun. But this is my Regard MC9. Guys, please subscribe. It's free, it costs nothing. Just a click of a button. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Please hit that like button. Drop a comment. It's always nice to hear what you guys are thinking. If you have any remarks, anything to say, it's always nice to read that. Me personally, I haven't seen any reviews on this gun, maybe one, and it wasn't even a review. It was the guy who was shooting it. It was pretty nice. He had some some mods did to it. If I knew his page, I would shout it out. You guys can go take a look at it. I'll probably put it in the description or something, or not. I don't know. You guys probably have seen it already. This gun is not really new. It's been out for some years now. But yeah, this is my MC9. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, hit that like button, leave a comment. Thank you.